Hey there, third graders. It is Mr. Hall again. Week 3, day 5. This is your writing mini lesson. This is the last day to work on this task here about which do you like better, cats or dogs. You should have, this beginning part should be done. You should have everything set up. Yesterday, if you remember correctly, we wrote everything out based off of our flea map. And then today, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to go through this checklist on your writing and see if you have all of these things. So the first thing it's asking you, it says, does the introduction grab the audience's attention? So let's look at this. Dogs are better pets than cats. I feel this way because dogs and humans have lived together for many years. They travel much easier than cats, and dogs help humans in many ways. So does that grab your attention? Kind of. If I wanted to make it grab somebody's attention and really hold their attention, is there another way I could do that? Well, let's see. One way you can grab the audience's attention is by starting with a question. So if you start with a question, did you know that dogs have been companions with human beings for over 10,000 years? See, that's one way that I could really capture the audience's attention and makes them want to learn more. Another way you can start off is by asserting how you feel really fast, like I did. Dogs are better than cats, are better pets than cats. And I'm going to put an exclamation right there. That's how I feel. I'm telling you right off the bat how I feel. Cool. So a question is one way you can start off here. An interesting fact if you have one. An interesting fact is a way you can start it off too. The other thing it's asking is, do reasons support the stated opinion? So in other words, do these reasons that I gave, these 3 reasons, do they support that dogs are better than cats? So they've been together for many years. Does that support that dogs are better than cats? Yeah. They travel easier than cats? Yep. And dogs help humans in many ways? Yes, they do. Each one of these, I'm telling you why I think dogs are better than cats. Now, so that's here. Now it's asking, do the connecting words help organize and link the essay? So those connecting words, you should find those at the beginning of each one of your paragraphs. So let's look, to begin with. So that tells you this is going to be the first thing. I could also have first here, or initially, or to start off. Then next, the following paragraph I have in addition. So that tells me those are my connecting words. Those are there. And then I have finally. It does it as well. And then the other question that it's asking, so I have my connecting words in here, is does the essay explain a counter or opposing opinion? So if we look through in our writing here, let's look. So in mine, I wrote, well, on the very end here, I remember, it said, others might argue that cats are better than dogs because cats are cleaner. This is not true because cats make messes in their litter boxes while dogs can go outside. So I do have my reason why I think a counter reason. In other words, what I'm doing is I'm saying, even though I think dogs are better than cats, some people might say cats are better because of this, but then I explained why I feel like that's wrong. And now at the very end, I should restate my opinion. So as you can see, cats are not as great as dogs when it comes to pets. People have been living with dogs for 10,000 years, so I reminded everybody what I had said. And then at the end, I have my opinion again. Dogs are the best pets in the world. Cool. So that's what you're going to do today, is just go through your checklist. Now, if anything is missing, this is a chance to edit it, so you can go back through and you can add it again. Cool? Now, when you're done with all of this, if you would like, you can take the third grader challenge and you have my opinion, or you have my permission, my opinion, you have my, let me try this again. You have my permission to type this up. So today, if you are all done with this and everything looks great, you can type it up into Google Docs. And if you would like, you can also add a few images to go along to support your answer. So if you like dogs better than cats, maybe you can insert some pictures of some dogs around here. Maybe you have a picture of your dog that you want to insert. So you could take a selfie with your dog using your Chromebook and insert that image to go along with your writing as well. So today, I'm going to have you go ahead and you can go ahead and type that up. Now, if typing is a huge challenge for you, it's going to create a lot of chaos in your world. I don't want that to happen. If you'd rather just handwrite it like I have here, you're welcome to do that as well. Okay? It is up to you. So you decide if you want to handwrite it or if you want to type it all out. Cool. Cool beans. All right, I'm going to let you get to work. You cannot do that if you are watching this video. So your assignment is to go ahead and get this typed up or handwrite this and then have some, put in some images to go along with that. If you're not sure how to do that, I will put a link into our, you'll see a small button down below this video on the website, and I'll show you another video on how to insert photos into your Google Docs. All right, third graders, it's going to be awesome. This is it. Come on, power through. You've got this. All right, friends, talk to you soon.